Hi, Stefano Molea, San Diego criminal defense lawyer and partner at the law office of David P. Shapiro, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. While it is certainly stressful to be accused of a crime, it is important not to forget about the family of the accused. When a person gets arrested, many times the family feels nothing but despair. Where are they taking her? How long until we can see him? When is court? How can we get her out? What are they being charged with? There are so many questions, and the worry for the loved one is only made worse by the unknown. That's why when someone calls us about a loved one, we understand how stressful it can be. So in this video, I want to offer some tools and information that hopefully will help. Number one, when someone gets arrested in San Diego County by non-federal agency, everyone ends up in the custody of the San Diego County Sheriff's Department. To find out where someone is located, you can go to the San Diego County Sheriff's Department Who's in Jail page and run a search. That page will usually give you where the loved one is located, the charges they were booked for, and the amount of the bail if bail eligible. For specific information about the visitation, it's always best to call the actual detention facility to ask. 2, if you get a call from your loved one, please remember that the call is being recorded. Believe me, law enforcement and the prosecutor can and will listen to the recordings. Therefore, as hard as it is, it's best not to talk about the reason why the person was arrested. This warning about recorded conversations also includes in-person visits at the jails. Number 3, if the person is in jail and is bail eligible, there are 2 ways to get them out. The first is to put up the entire bond yourself. So if someone is booked, for example, with a $10,000 bail, they can follow the directions of the jail and post the entire $10,000. At the end of the case, as long as the loved one doesn't run and shows up to every court hearing, the $10,000 is returned in full. The second and most common way is to use a reputable bail bonds company. They will post the $10,000 for you in exchange for a fee. For example, if the bail is $10,000, the fee will usually be around 10%, so $1,000 will be paid to the bail bonds company. Some will offer payment plans depending on the circumstances. That fee will be owed no matter what happens to the case. It's simply the price to pay the bail bonds company to get your loved one out. There are some strategy considerations regarding the timing of when to bail someone out, particularly in high bail cases, so it's best to speak to a reputable criminal defense lawyer before making the decision, if possible. If your loved one was just arrested and you're unsure about what to do, hopefully this information has been useful. Have questions? Give us a call. Stefano Molea, San Diego criminal defense lawyer, 619-295-3555.